This is not the story of a panda who always won. It's the story of a little panda who learned how to stay afloat inside storms of failure. Little Panda joined paws with his brother to build a mobile shop dream. For 2 years, they pushed forward. Then the storm hit. The dream collapsed. The shop failed. His brother walked away and said, "You're not made for this." Little Panda took his small share and opened a clothing boutique. Again, the wind turned cruel. 1 year later, another failure, another closed door. Every path felt blocked. The world seemed to whisper, "Stop trying." Little Panda was tired. Little Panda was alone. But Little Panda was not broken. That's when he understood. Failure is not the end of the path. It is the entry price to becoming strong. When everyone thought Little Panda was finished, he was quietly preparing for the biggest leap of his life. If you keep falling, don't be afraid. You're not losing. Ooh, you're becoming stronger. Panda with fire.